July 23rd, 2012 or 2013. Dan Wergy here. Just getting this in northwestern Pennsylvania. Crawford County. Pressure's just dropping. Got some rain coming in behind me, it looks like. I got rain coming in right on me. Just starting.
Shambaz Towing is there when you need them with fast, professional towing service approved by AAA. From jump starts to lockouts, in a wreck or in a ditch, Shambaz Towing is available 24 hours a day, every day, with emergency roadside assistance towing. But did you know you can also call Shambaz for vehicle maintenance and service? Shambaz does it all, from towing to